Hello. So in this video we will be looking at method overloading. So we will understand what method overloading is through an example. Alright. So first of all, let me tell you what method overloading exactly is. Method overloading is when in the same program we will have more than one methods with the same name. Okay. In one program we can have more than one methods with same name, but they should be different based on the formal parameters. Okay, so to understand this better, we will go to our Java workspace and we will see how the things are working. All right. So here we have a Java workspace and we have a main method. So let's create two methods with the same name. All right, so let's first create one method, public static, and return type, let it be void, and let's say the name of the method be method A. I'm sorry, yeah, method A. All right, so this is the name of the method. All right, now we have declared a method having the return type void and the name of the method is method A. Now this method A is having no formal parameters. You can see within this parenthesis we have given nothing. So now in the body of it, let's say we write a print statement, system.out.println. Let's say we write first method. All right. Similarly, let's declare another method with the same name. Okay, so again public static void, and the name should be same, method A. All right, but now this time we will have to give a formal parameter. Okay, because the methods have to be different based on the formal parameters. So let's give one formal parameter, let it be an integer type of a variable. All right, so this method we will having an input of an integer type, and in its body let's write sys. All right, sys out, that is, and here we will write, let's say, second method. Okay, second method. All right, so here you can see we have created two methods. First, that is method A, and second, that is method A, both having the same name, but first method has no formal parameters and the second method has one formal parameter. All right, now we will see what happens when we call these methods from our main function. Okay, so let's call our method A. Okay, so if I write method A here, all right, it means I am calling my method A. Okay, but there are two method A's. So if I write it like this, can you suggest which method it will call? Will it call the first method or the second method? Okay, so you might be guessing that it will call method A. It is all right because it has no formal parameters, because the method that we are calling, we have not given any formal parameter here in line number 11. Okay, so when we will call it, so according to us, this method should be called. Okay, method A should be called. So let's run it and let's find out. It's running and let's see the output. See, the output is first method. All right, so it means that when we are calling it without any formal parameters, our first method is getting called. But if we pass a formal parameter here, okay, that is in the second method, that is int type, so it is asking for an integer type of input. So let's say we pass 5. Now let's say which method will be called. Now here you see the output is gonna be second method. Okay, so you can see here the output is second method. So we saw that when we pass a formal parameter, it calls the second method, and when we do not pass a formal parameter, it calls the first method. So this is an illustration of how method overloading works, and that is, we can have multiple functions in a program, but they can be multiple functions with the same name, but they can be different based on the formal parameters. All right, so this is method overloading. Thank you.